All right, here we are, Padres projects, and this is Ghetto Garage at Spring Carlisle. Talk to you guys later. All right, we got Ghetto Garage Dog with us too, and the beer assistant. All right, seems like a bit of a light attendance day today, probably because it's going to rain this afternoon, but I think we'll start working our rows. These are the kind of vendor spaces that I really like. You can get all the little bits and pieces you want. All right, so I left my glasses at home, which was a big mistake because I was driving into the sun last night. So for $6, can't beat it. Even Mrs. Ghetto Garage got a pair. All right, I kind of like this one. Mrs. Ghetto Garage wants everybody to see this. You want to see your wife's parts tonight, don't go home with only car parts. So the 15-minute union break is over, and we're on our third row now. Found some interesting stuff, and I think we're waiting on Miss Ghetto Garage. Okay, so much for shopping. We had our little lunch break. Now it looks like it's going to rain here in a couple of hours, so it's time to go look at some cars. So we're getting close now. Let me turn you around. You can see this is where everything is. Mostly see like big trucks and trailers right here, but the cars are definitely out there. So here's something you don't see too often. GTO. Nice and clean. It's original. Take a look at the build sheet. Yeah, nice clean car. Of course, the lighting in here ain't all that great. Nice car. Now here's something. 63 Galaxy 500. All original, 390 motor, 20,000 miles. Apparently an Alabama car. Maybe a barn find. Let's look in the interior. This is the way we like to find our 64s. Now, I've never really been a Mustang fan. I've always, well, not true. It's actually the fastback Mustangs that I prefer. But this one is still in nice shape. Kind of a burgundy red. 1968. Apparently Hawaii car. For sale for $37,500. And I don't know if this is the build sheet. Might be. But still a nice car with the top down. Now here's a nice car, the 442. This looks to be, might be all original. I'm not sure about the seats though. Obviously been redone. The upholstery's a little loose, got some wrinkles in it. But like that blue. And it's for sale too. I don't know if 43,000 is the miles on it or the price. Chrome looks really nice. Nice looking car. Now here's a nice Mustang. This is the fastback version, of course. 130,000. price, 65. The one thing that I'm not crazy about this though, this is a resto mod, is that rear window is just too big. It looks kind of like the rear window came off a Barracuda. Sounds like he's got a spark plug wire shorting somewhere. Must be time to start the car. Oh, here we go. I knew we'd find one here eventually. Now, okay, so he says it's a numbers matching 409 4-speed, but the truth is GM didn't start matching numbers till 65, so, but you know, it's a common term everybody likes to use. Tack on the dash, factory 4-speed, although there's no console there. Is it a factory 4-speed? Well, it says 4-speed, doesn't say factory. No console though. But it's it's an 1847 with a 409. How about that? Still a nice car. Not crazy about that yellow. Yeah, it's still in nice shape. So this one got my attention. Looks a bit like an ice cream cone. Special Deluxe. 1948. Killer frame off restoration, 28.5. Nice looking paint. Now these cars always get my attention. It's a 52 Olds. Nice looking car. Chrome is gleaming. Fender skirts. This is
guys, have a good one.
This is like almost a lead sled. Love the dash on these cars too. Seats are kind of plain Jane, but it's definitely a tight looking car. Your car? That's nice. 66 Buick Skylark, only 88,000 miles. Air conditioning, power steering, power brakes. Rust-free Alabama car, 26.5. I got a buddy with a 66. Although his is a four-door hardtop, but it's still a snazzy looking car. Kind of reminds me of that really weird supernatural show. I forget the name of it, but the two guys that ride around in the 66 Buick. Well, we just caught a drive-by. Yeah, see, a Chevy guy that likes Fords. Look at this. 64 Custom. Supposedly a rust-free Tennessee car. Clean on the inside. Split bench. Girlfriend sit tight up next to you. And of course, the V8. And it can be yours for what price? Oh yeah, $35,000. Not your car?
I'm still paying for college, man. This is just looking around.
Coming up on a 41 Chevy Business Coupe. You gotta love this jet black and chrome look with a little bit of red accent. Master Deluxe. Nice and clean. Plastic on the seats, just like my grandmother's sofa. Nice dash. Really. You wouldn't want to hit your head on that though in an accident. Could be rough. Car duster. That white wall look is so nice on some of these older cars, but that gas filler cap, like right where it is just really just, I don't know, just throws everything off. I mean, we all love our gas tanks, but on the side of the quarter panel, no, not really. So I think it's time to roll out, and it's supposed to be raining here sometime around 2 o'clock. So that's pretty much the end of Padres projects at Ghetto Garage in Carlisle, Spring Carlisle, 2023. See ya.